Hi guys, so I'm starting this vlog out on a Saturday because that is when the festivities of the week are beginning, because tomorrow's Father's Day and I'm going to my mom's because she's my dad, basically, you know, fatherless gang. Single moms run this shit. Today I'm doing my weekly reset, and I have formulated my weekly reset into basically 2 days. So I do it all of Sunday, and then the planning part of it, like the get clear and get current, I do that Monday morning before I start work, but I don't want to do it all in a Monday anymore. That's why I formulated it like that. But anyway, today I'm doing my Sunday portion of the weekly reset on Saturday because I'm seeing my mom on Sunday. This morning, I went to the farmer's market. It opens bright and early at 8 in the morning. I went to that. I got some eucalyptus for my shower. I also got an elderberry plant. I didn't plan on getting a tree. I thought elderberry was like, oh, I love that in my tea. Like, I'll grow it in my little box garden. No, the guy was like, it's a tree. And I was like, oh, okay, Father's Day present. So I'm giving it to my mom because she loves gardening. She has so many, she has an almond tree, peach tree, lemon tree. She's a tree queen. So I'm gonna give her that. I also picked up some fresh fruits, some peaches, some apricots. I got my favorite hummus. I love this hummus. I only get it from the farmer's market. And then I went to Daydream Coffee and Surf Shop. It's basically the cutest store ever, and it's a surfer vibe. And then it also has a coffee shop in it. But I used to be a regular, like 2 years ago. I would go like every day, and they would just know my order, which is an Earl Grey tea latte with a sprinkle of cinnamon. The guy that I used to see all the time when I went there, he doesn't work there anymore. So I walked in and I was like, I'm back. They were like, who the fuck are you? That did not go well, and it lasted about one shower because I had a massive like allergic reaction. Yeah, so maybe it was like the pesticides, if they put pesticides on it, because that's gross, but short-lived. This lighting is disgusting. Hi guys, happy Monday. It is Monday, and the first thing that I'm doing today is planting my garden. So I put the planter on my balcony, and this is where she resides. It's where the best lighting is, unfortunately. I also ordered from Amazon some gardening gloves. These are little and yellow, and then I got this IKEA watering can. I'm very excited to be a garden girl. It's time to garden, ladies. Let's take this stuff to the balcony. I'm so excited. Am I supposed to garden in jeans and a nice top? I don't think so, but I'm gonna do it. So let's go. Garden so far. We have cilantro here, a flower to attract the bees, some basil, sweet mint, Roma tomatoes, more flowers, and then I got a poblano pepper, but I meant to get jalapeno, so I'm gonna swap that out. But this is the garden. Hi, so I went to go get a smoothie. This is just a kale superfood smoothie because that's what you do when you get a smoothie. You get a kale one. that's like a superfood smoothie because health and wealth, baby. So I wanted to get out of the house and get a smoothie because I find that I get super antsy at like 5 p.m. every single day, and I have to leave my apartment. Even if I don't have plans with anyone, I have to leave my apartment to do something. So that's usually like going to get a smoothie, going for a walk at the beach, like going to a workout class. It's just something to distract myself from my existential dread that I face every morning. Not every morning, every evening. I face it in the morning too, but it's a different kind of existential dread. Passing my ex's house. This is so Olivia Rodrigo of me, and I hate it, but you know. Worth the $11.50? No. Because I could have made this at home for free, but you know. No, it tastes like nature. Like, why is there a Vespa in front of me? Like, go to Italy or something, not Newport. And I'm about to hit this biker too. Oh my god. This honestly has no context and no business being in the vlog. It's just me driving around in my car, drinking a smoothie on a Monday at 5 p.m. Atticus out for a walk, but first I want to make a smoothie for breakfast. So I'm going to share with you guys one of my smoothie recipes because I hope y'all saw the coffee spill out of my mug. It was like an out-of-body experience. I'm going to make one of my greens smoothies, so let's get into it. Normally I would add avocado with my spinach, but I don't have any at the moment, so we're rolling with it. First, spinach. This is organic whole leaf spinach. Whole Foods, you know what it is and what it do. I also buy my spinach frozen because I don't eat spinach. Like, you will never catch me eating fresh spinach. I just don't do it. So why waste fresh spinach that's gonna go bad when you could buy frozen for what I use it for, my smoothies. So let's do a little bit of that. Then we're gonna do some banana. I like to use frozen banana because it makes the smoothie smoothie-y. Then I like to put dates in it because dates give it a natural sweetness. It's like adding sugar, but it's a healthy sugar because it's a fruit. Is a date a fruit? Then I like to put some hemp seeds in it because you want to put at least like one type of seed. Like one type of like chia seed, hemp seed, flax seed. You got to give it something to give you some health and wealth. I'm gonna put 1 spoonful of that in there. And then I'm always gonna add a collagen to my smoothie because collagen is just the supplement for your hair, skin, and nails. It promotes healthy bones too, but collagen is just so good for your skin. It's so good for your hair. It's good for your nails. It's just the beauty elixir is what I call it. So my collagen that I've been using lately is from Nordic Naturals. This is the Nordic Beauty Collagen Peptides. Healthy and beautiful skin from within. We love the branding. So I just add 1 scoop because that's pretty much what it suggests, 1 scoop. You can add this to your coffee. You could just add it to hot water if you want to just, you know, chug it and go wild, but it's always great to put in your smoothies. It's just super easy and you don't taste it. Like, there's really no taste to peptides. You always want to make sure you're taking your collagen every day. It's really good for staying gorgeous, pretty much. Oh wait, oat milk. Last thing you add is oat milk. You can add any liquid, but for me it's always oat milk. I know, it's just, I don't stray from that. I'm gonna blend this baddie up and yeah. Even though it has so much spinach in it, all I taste is the banana and dates. It's so good. Plus I have my collagen in there too, so I'm just getting health and wealth, baby. We are healthy. I do take a teaspoon of the Barrage oil from Nordic Beauty as well. I like to take like a little spoonful of oil in the mornings. Obviously a dietary supplement oil, not just like chugging olive oil. This is the Barrage oil from Nordic Naturals. Basically just a little teaspoon of this. It's oil and it's a dietary supplement, so you just pop it. Vegan and non-GMO oil from Barrage seed that nourishes and helps rejuvenate the skin. Again, both of these combined, it's a skin thing. I care about my skin being beautiful. I care about looking dewy and natural and healthy and fun and fresh and frisky. So That's what I do for beauty right now. That's kind of like the little morning moment that I do. If you guys want to pick up anything from Nordic Naturals, they have so much to choose from. They're a really great wellness brand. I will link them down below, as well as the 2 products that I use from them. And thank you to Nordic Naturals for sponsoring this part of this week's vlog. I match my fruit bowl because this summer the vibes are orange. Actually, that's my vibe round the clock. Basically this morning I went to go pick up some flowers and some fruit because today my washing machine, I'm sorry, it has to be done. I need some stuff because on Wednesdays, Haley and I have both like made the time so that we get together and we do work together. So it's usually all pertaining to Instagram. So today we're shooting at my house. Sometimes we'll go to LA, sometimes we'll go to just anywhere like around us in OC. The laundry really is killing the vibe. Anyway, I'm getting used to vlogging. I'm hoping that I'm doing better every time. I'm trying so hard to just like get as much content as I can and then put it all together to make a story and make it interesting. So please leave your feedback for me. Not mean feedback, but like if it's constructive, please word it nicely because I'm super sensitive. It's my Pisces. I have so much Pisces in my chart. I cry all the time. So if you could like tell me like what you want to see, how I could improve the vlogs, like really what's gonna make this vlog chef's kiss for you. You let me know because I want to know. And I really like when you guys give me ideas because then we just run with it. We roll with it and we make great content. Waiting for Haley, and then we're gonna do some shooting, we're gonna do some work, and I will catch up with you guys later. I say that after every clip, but that's very annoying. Constructive compliment, stop doing that. Constructive compliment. I watch too much of The Office. Let's check on the little veggie children. They're so cute, they're doing so well. Heard that this is most like a weed, so it's probably gonna overtake the garden, but that's okay, we have scissors. And we have a separate pot just in case, but I need to swap out the poblano pepper for a jalapeno still, but you know, we're working on it, Update on the coffee table situation. It was supposed to get here June 22nd. That day has come and gone, and it's back ordered, which I bought it and it wasn't back ordered. And then also my Urban Outfitters mirror, there's like what the mirror I got is gonna look like. It's gonna replace that white mirror that I have in my living room. It's just bigger, it's better. It's gonna be so good for mirror pictures. But that's not gonna get here till August now too, and I'm like, everything that I ordered is gonna take so long. I should have just like focused on getting stuff for the office first because that's kind of like the main area that matters to me right now. But you know, we're gonna figure that out. I need to look at your guys' comments where you told me like what you think I should do for the office. I'm gonna look through that, kind of plan it out and take you guys through that updating or through the designing process of this entire apartment as it goes. So when there's a vlog pertaining to home decor, I will put that shit in the title so you will know we're talking, that's probably Haley. That's probably Haley. What do you know? It's Haley. I wanted to just come on here and just talk to the camera because I'm kind of in a mood where it's kind of a reoccurring mood that I get like this at, what time is it? It's like 8:30 at night. I get this on evenings and I just kind of like want to talk about it. I don't want to like, I'm not, okay, my brain, she just goes everywhere. A couple things. One, I don't like to complain. I don't like to bring negativity to light because the more you feed negativity, the more it grows. And that's just, we don't love that. I also want you guys to watch my videos as a source of entertainment, a source of escapism from your reality so that you can just enjoy watching a video. So I don't want to bring negativity into videos. But on the other side of that, a lot of you guys mentioned that you want me to share more about my life. You want me to be more personal about all the things in my life. And as much as I don't want to be complaining or being negative, I feel like I kind of like have to talk about it a little bit because it's what I'm currently dealing with right now. So this feeling that I've been having, it kind of feels not new, but I think it reappears in my life in different phases. I'm feeling this like emptiness or like an emptiness, basically where I don't feel connected to the world or I don't feel connected to people, and it's kind of just like really isolating. Struggling with depression and anxiety since being a teenager, obviously that's like gonna come into play, but what I'm like feeling is that I see these people living their lives on Instagram, on vlogs, where they live in New York or something, and they have like a rich, diverse group of friends, and they do their work, they have their social life, they're just living life kind of in harmony, I want to say. And I feel like something's lacking for my life, and I think that is like people I connect with, because I have a really hard time not making friends. Making friends is so easy. It's feeling connected with people for me. Probably max 3 people in my entire life that I have felt connected to, where we get each other on the same level. I can be myself around them, and I don't have to constantly be kind of like aware of myself. I can just enjoy and be happy with that person. Most of my friendships that I've had are all kind of like, to me, I have to be watching myself. I kind of have to filter myself, and I can't feel like I'm having fun with someone. I don't know how to explain this, so I'm hoping you guys kind of understand this. But basically, I just don't feel a connection to a lot of people, and I think that it's kind of makes me feel hopeless in finding a fulfilling life, social life. And I crave a connection with people, but I just feel like it's so hard for me, and all of the people that I've had like really good connections with, they've moved away. So like, it's really hard to feel like I have friends when I don't feel like I connect with anyone, and I feel like I can't be myself, because a lot of people, maybe it's not their intention, but they kind of bring up people's insecurities, like, oh, you say this, that's weird, or oh, why do you talk like this? Why do you do this? Your brain goes like 100 miles a minute, like you jump from thought to thought. And I'm like, okay, I can't really help that, but that makes me feel a little self-conscious when I'm hanging out with people. And maybe I'm just sensitive and a Pisces, but I really hope this is coming across understandable to anyone. Basically, I feel lonely, and it kind of feels hopeless making friends. I don't know. I just feel more open and comfortable with some of you guys than I do with like just acquaintances. I need people I connect with. Like it sucks. Like it sucks being lonely, and it sucks feeling hopeless, like you're not gonna make more friends. Hi, Sib. I cherish the people in my life that make me feel connected to them and that I love being around, but they're so rare. And it's like, can for once I just have like 3 of you guys all in one space and we're all friends, like Sex in the City. Can I get a Sex in the City friendship, or like Friends? They literally were only friends with each other. There's like 6 of them, and they were just like, that's all they hung out with was each other. And like, I'm down for that, because I don't need a lot of friends. I don't think we need a lot of friends, as long as we have a solid core like group of people that get us and we get, we're good. I wanted to talk about it, but I didn't want to be negative, because like, you might be lonely too. Like, let's just say you're lonely and you're like, why would I want to watch someone talk about being lonely? Like, I'm here to escape on YouTube. And I get that, but I had to talk about it because I know a lot of you guys want me to be personal, and so like, I don't know, I feel very uncomfortable talking about something negative, but it's just kind of what I'm feeling. We only want to show the good. We only want to show like our lives perfectly curated, but I think that I kind of like when people share. I like when people talk about things more personal. So if you guys want me to talk about stuff like this and just not hold back on that, let me know. If you think it's totally irrelevant and you just want me to make vlogs to like entertain you guys, like let me know. I literally will not get offended by either answer. Just like hit me up, let me know, because I like to do what you guys want to watch, because otherwise then what is the point? Also, I don't feel like a person, if that makes sense. Like I have literally no perception of who I am. I don't know, now we're crossing into like existential crisis type vibes, and I don't know. I don't know why I'm feeling so existential dread vibes lately. It's really annoying. Like, I always think that moving to a new place or like some sort of fresh start is gonna make me feel better in my mental health, but like it never does. It just like creates change for like 12 seconds and then I'm over it and I'm like, okay, I need more change, or these inner problems that I haven't dealt with are still not changing. Like, what? So, bottom line, I should probably go to therapy. Probably, but I might just watch TikToks instead.